What's up you guys, welcome to XJ40's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the bass speakers on your XJ40, which are located underneath the rear seats. I'll be using some old footage and guiding you on how to replace the speakers. It's very easy and I'll recommend doing this if you want to enhance the audio on your XJ40. So let's get to it. Start by unlocking the Jag and opening the rear door. It doesn't matter which side. Remove the speaker covers, they come off with a little bit of pry. Unscrew the old speakers from the housing. If you're replacing the speakers with a factory original speaker, no modifications will be needed, but if you plan on replacing it with a modern speaker, then you'll need to cut the wires. Trim the speaker wires. Use some butt connectors to connect the socket and speaker wire, and put everything back together. From the year 88 and 89, the XJ40s have a 4-inch bass speakers. Later XJ40s have a 5 1/4 inch speakers. The covers can sometimes be very annoying putting back since they won't clip on or they just pop off. But hopefully you guys can figure that out. Do the same for the other side and you'll be done. Alright guys, if y'all found this video helpful, you know exactly what to do. And that is take a shot right now. Not just playing. Go ahead and hit the like button. Thanks for watching you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Late.